Cancer. Pay close attention. The energy around you is shifting, and in the next 3 days, a new opportunity is preparing to appear. This isn't random, it has been quietly aligning behind the scenes. Your past patience, effort, and self-work are all converging to create a moment of momentum. This reading is about noticing, responding, and moving deliberately. The opportunity may start small, a message, a conversation, or a chance to show your abilities, but it carries real potential. Cancer, your natural caution may make you want to wait, overanalyze, or seek perfection. That hesitation could cause you to miss the initial spark. The first card is Ace of Wands. This is ignition energy. A spark is coming that excites your curiosity and draws your attention. It could be a creative idea, a project, a message, or an invitation. The Ace of Wands carries raw potential. It demands action to grow. This card also signals a boost in confidence. If you felt unsure or undervalued, this spark shows that people and opportunities are noticing your energy and talents. Your presence itself draws attention. Emotionally, it may feel like excitement, butterflies, or sudden motivation. That feeling is your intuition signaling alignment. Practically, this spark may seem small at first. It could be a short message, a casual conversation, or a subtle opportunity. Don't dismiss it. Even tiny beginnings can grow quickly if acted upon. The second card is Page of Pentacles. This card represents grounded, practical energy. The opportunity may involve learning, starting a small project, or taking a cautious first step with long-term potential. The Page of Pentacles reminds you that small seeds planted now can grow steadily. It also highlights curiosity and willingness to improve. You may not know everything yet, and that's fine. Your openness to learning and refining skills is what transforms this opportunity into something tangible. Emotionally, this card brings hope. You feel drawn to engage and develop, almost naturally. Practically, watch for small details. Messages, emails, or hints in the next 3 days could signal the beginning of something bigger. The third card is Three of Wands. This card signals expansion. The opportunity may reach beyond your usual circle, introducing new people, networks, or directions. It shows that past efforts are beginning to yield results. Emotionally, this brings optimism. You may feel a sense of anticipation, like a door is opening to new possibilities. Comparing this to past setbacks will block momentum. Focus forward. Three of Wands also indicates that delayed responses, follow-ups, or planning are now moving. Keep your eyes open for subtle signs in the next 3 days. Practically, stay observant. Even minor confirmations or communications can point to significant progress. The fourth card is Wheel of Fortune. This is a turning point. The next 3 days may bring sudden, unexpected changes that favor you. It could feel surprising, but the timing is aligned with your preparation and readiness. Wheel of Fortune shows that cycles are shifting. If you have felt stuck or overlooked, that energy ends now. Luck and opportunity align with your action. Emotionally, this brings relief or excitement. Something that seemed stagnant or uncertain starts to move forward. Practically, remain flexible. Don't overthink or resist. The wheel moves fast. Timely, decisive action ensures you maximize the potential of this opportunity. The fifth card is King of Wands. This is the energy you need to bring: leadership, confidence, and clarity. Whatever appears in the next 3 days, step into it decisively. Speak your mind clearly, set boundaries, and take initiative. The King of Wands is about owning your space and showing authority without being aggressive. It also represents vision. You may see how this opportunity connects to your long-term goals or personal growth. People respond to clarity and decisiveness, so your actions now will determine how this develops. Emotionally, it strengthens courage. If you feel hesitation, the King of Wands reminds you that confidence creates momentum. Your energy itself draws the right opportunities closer. Practically, don't wait for permission or validation. Initiate, make decisions, and act with purpose. Your leadership energy turns potential into reality. The sixth card is Eight of Pentacles. This is about effort and discipline. The initial spark of the Ace of Wands grows into something tangible only through consistent work. Whether it's a project, skill, or connection, steady, focused effort is required. Eight of Pentacles also emphasizes skill building. You may need to refine what you already know or learn quickly to maximize the opportunity. Progress feels purposeful rather than exhausting. Emotionally, this card provides satisfaction. Seeing small wins along the way reinforces your confidence and motivation. Practically, eliminate distractions and dedicate attention to what matters. The consistency you show now determines the long-term success of this opportunity. The seventh card is the Star. The Star brings hope, guidance, and emotional clarity. The opportunity appearing is not random. It aligns with your purpose and long-term vision. It also brings relief and optimism. You may feel lighter and more inspired as possibilities unfold. Your intuition will guide you toward actions that feel aligned. Visibility is highlighted as well. Others may recognize your effort or energy, which strengthens the potential of the opportunity. Practically, trust your instincts and remain consistent. Follow what feels right while staying grounded and focused on your goals. The eighth card is Ten of Pentacles. This is long-term stability and security. What appears in the next 3 days has the potential to grow into something lasting, whether financially, professionally, or personally. Emotionally, it brings peace and assurance. You see a path forward that is sustainable and rewarding. Practically, consistent effort, clear actions, and grounded decision-making are essential. The Ten of Pentacles is earned, not given, and it shows that careful attention now builds long-term results. Affirmation: I recognize opportunities aligned with my path. I act with clarity, focus, and confidence. I commit to growth, stability, and long-term success. And Cancer, if you want personal clarity on what this opportunity truly is, who it involves, or the exact steps to take, you can book a $9 one-on-one reading. For deeper guidance and unlimited questions over 30 days, the $99 membership gives continuous support and actionable insight so you never feel uncertain or stuck. Your next 3 days are powerful. Stay present, alert, and ready to step into what is aligned for you.